Alright everybody, be welcome to the Vizione Code Flow Academy. My name is Luke and you're going about to learn a little bit more about web development. So without further ado, we're going to start with what it is HTML. This is lesson 1 from this course. So we're not going to expend the time, we're going to start straight ahead. The lesson 1, we're going to see what is HTML. HTML history, purpose, and structure. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It is essential code that defines the structures and meaning of web content. So here we are seeing, you are seeing right now in the screen one completely pure HTML page. There is no stylization, there is no colors. There's just text and informations and some codes, right? So the number 1 is the definition, breaking down the acronym. HTML is the foundation of the web, responsible for the structure. The markup part of the name refers to using tags to annotate the text. We're going to see a little bit more what it is, these tags and all of the descriptions. So we're going to keep it forward in the number 2. Core terminology, speaking and reading the code. When discussing code, we must use the correct names for symbols. Below we format the code like a code editor to visualize separate parts of an element. So here's an anatomy of an element in HTML, right? So we have the tag, the content that I am selecting for you right now, and the closing tag. This for you that you're starting as a developer, this is the way that you, that you speak with the computer. This is what the humans see, and this is what, let me see, this is the content inside the element, and there is nothing here, just an example. But this is what the computer reads, how you talk with the computer, for the computer create these for the persons understand, right? So simple as this for you that you understand it. In the future we're going to explain a little bit more. So here we have angle brackets, that it is this little brackets here, this angle brackets. The symbols that open and close in a tag, pronounced angles. That's more common angle brackets. The opening tag, that is this P inside of the angle brackets, that it is this one that I'm selecting for you. This is the start element. This is the definement, what you are talking to the computer, what you want the computer to show, right? Closing tag, it is this last one. It must have a 1// containing the tag, right? The ends element always featuring the / as I mentioned. And the last one is the element, the entire structure, tags plus the content. It is the whole thing. This is an element. So this it is a one angle brackets, this it is the angle brackets, this it is the opening tag, this is the ending tag, closing tag, sorry for that, and this is the whole thing, it is an element. So here below we have an example of an attribute. An attribute provides extra information about the element. It always goes in the opening tag, right? So here we have the angle brackets, here we have the opening tag, and together attached to the opening tag we have an attribute, and here it is a hyperlink reference, that it is showing that it is going to be a link this element, right? So here it is the value that of this element, historical HTML, and here it is the content that is going to appear to the user, right? So go to the history page. You're gonna click in this, go to history page, and you're gonna move to this page, that is history HTML, because we are inserting a one tag with the one attribute together, right? A little bit of the history of how HTML, you could make your own research, but for you to understand, HTML was invented by Sir Tim Berners-Lee in 1991 at CERN. I believe this is an acronym for European, I forgot the name, but it is a center European. I'm gonna get the information later for you, right? The goals of the Sir Tim Berners-Lee was document sharing, right? So in 1991, he's created HTML initial draft, focus on text and basic linking, but through the years, HTML has evolved and go to 2014, HTML5, the current standards, added semantic elements and multimedia. Alright, so we're gonna make available for you this file so that you could see a little bit more. So just for clarification, so you have clear in mind, this is what the person see, the browser shows when you hit in the Google, make some research. This is what the browser is going to show to the humans, but you as a developer, you're going to work all of your time here, 90% of your time creating codes and understand what the computer needs to understand to show the informations to the client. So here we have a real example of what it is on one tag, or what it is on one element, right? So here element, it is a one title that has a one tag, like a one h1 property. We're going to expand this in the future, and here's our closing tag. You can, as I make available the files for you, you can make some research and analyze and take a lot of your doubts, put in your comments here, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up so that we could explain to the YouTube that this channel is good and I could continue creating the content for you. So see you in the next class, and continue to develop your skills so that you could become a very, very professional developer. See you later.